Just a few drops are enough to make tomatoes healthy and strong. The fruits will be bigger and more flavorful than ever. The first ingredient is eggshells. They contain calcium, magnesium, and micronutrients that strengthen the root system and protect against diseases. Grind the shells into a fine powder. The finer it is, the faster it will dissolve. Pour about 2 cups of water into a tall container. Add the ground shells and stir well. The next ingredient is a banana peel. Banana peels are rich in potassium and phosphorus, which affect the size, flavor, and ripening of the fruits. Cut 1 peel into smaller pieces and add it to the container. Now it's time for nettle. It strengthens plants and repels pests. It's also rich in nitrogen, iron, and silica, which boost plant resistance. Add 2 teaspoons. Mix everything well and let it sit for at least an hour. After that, strain the mixture through a strainer lined with gauze to remove the solids. Pour the liquid into a bottle. Add the prepared fertilizer concentrate to a bucket of water and mix well. Water the tomatoes once a week. You can also use it for cucumbers or peppers. Your plants will grow like crazy. You won't be able to keep up with the harvest.